What is the main raw material used in the production of rayon? What is the process of converting fiber into yarn? Which finish is applied to make fabrics wrinkle resistant? What is the technique of applying patterns to fabric using a carved block? What type of fibers will classified as? What process removes short fibers and aligns them during yarn production? What is the main disadvantage of cotton fabrics? What is the key characteristic of a twill weave? Which natural fiber is known for its moisture wicking properties? What is the purpose of calendaring in textiles?